Hey guys, Ron Bondo Build Construction here. Today we're working on a split level insulation project again, and just wanted to show you what we got going on and how far along we got building this insulation enclosure to insulate this weird wall that goes up into the attic. It's like half attic, half wall. So I don't know if you've seen my other videos, but I kind of explained it in the other videos. I'm going to show you what we're doing today, and thanks for watching.
So right here, there's a stairway that goes up into the top level. So up there, it's hard to explain, but this flat part of this house that is taller, right there where the stairway goes up, the house gets taller. Right above this is the old kitchen. Above here, it just goes up. I don't know if you can see it in the video, but it goes right up to the roof line. So you got a flat wall up here you're gonna have to insulate that flat wall, which is gonna be a challenge for us. We tore some walls out of here, opened it up, and there's some holes. Right now, we got some holes. There was an old soffit here for the kitchen, so that made some holes. We ripped a bunch of fiberglass out of this wall already last night. So this is where the house goes up. You end up with this. This is the bathroom. You can see all the insulation we ripped out of here already because it was just a mess. It was all falling down and everything. So this is inside the bathroom upstairs, looking into the attic. So this wall right here, this bathroom wall, you go halfway up it, and that's the top plate right there. So down here doesn't have to be insulated, but above that top plate goes right up. That's all got to be insulated. So that's the challenge, insulating that flat part from inside the attic. They had stuffed these bats inside there, these fiberglass bats, but there's no air sealing or nothing for those fiberglass bats. There was just air flowing right through there, and half of them had fallen out. I'll see if I can get up in this attic without killing myself. Let me show you what I got going on. Okay. So, in the attic, I'm trying to step on these studs here. This is all cellulose, this whole attic. That's where the other roof line comes down, that little jet out on the end of the house. But we gotta get rid of all this cellulose so we can air seal this thing, which is gonna be a pain. And here is the stairway. Not sure, I'll turn my headlamp on. I don't know if that helps, maybe a little. This is the stairway that goes up, that we walked up to get up to here. So that angled stairway's gotta be all insulated somehow, because they had bats laying on top of it, just fiberglass bats, just laying all over the top of it, which wasn't very good. I'm sure that didn't do much. So this is what we got so far here. We're building this enclosure to hold cellulose up in this uninsulated wall here. Go all the way down with it. It's 16 inches thick down through there. We'll plywood the bottom to hold all that cellulose. There it is. We're going to put some plywood on there. So here's our insulation cavity.
This one goes past that?
Yes. We're putting our chipboard on there. We got to fill this bottom in, but this is the cavity that we created, basically. It's like 16 inches wide, a little more than that. The whole cavity right there is going to be full of cellulose, all the way down through there, all the way up to there. So this is our inner wall, right here. That's our inner wall. There's our floor right here. And this is the inner bathroom wall. And that's going to all be filled with cellulose. down through here. This whole thing. And we went up past the top roof, up there, right there, that board. We went over to up higher than it, so the upstairs has a couple feet over top of it. So again, here it is, and we're skinning the bottom. We got the top all skinned. Just an insulation cavity, this whole thing. Insulation cavity, cellulose. We air sealed it.
Alright, get out.
This is what it looks like, all skinned. We spray foamed some of it, air sealed it, filled up all the gaps. That's what it looks like. This is the unheated, or this is the heated section. That goes down into the downstairs. There's that wall right there. We gotta finish spray foaming it. So it goes right over the top of the entranceway right there, that angle. We gotta figure out how to do that. We're gonna build something around that today. That's what we're doing. Alright guys, trying to get some better lighting up here so you can see what's going on. Here's the insulation enclosure. Right here. Here's the top of the bedrooms. So basically, the insulation enclosure comes up 2 feet past the top of the bedroom walls. This is the inside of it. You can actually get right in here. There's the insulation enclosure. Looking again, here's the top of the other roof. This is above the bedroom, so I made this enclosure taller so that when I pack the insulation in here, the cellulose, it'll hold the insulation in this side up higher, because I want to put more insulation over here, because there's only maybe 8 inches in there. And there's the hatchway, the stairway. We got to build around that too, but we just skinned everything with OSB because it was cheap. Only $8 a sheet. Just used some old 2x4s. Built this thing. Pretty simple. This is a radiant heat in the ceiling, electric radiant heat panel in the ceiling that we've been ripping these out. That's how they heated this house, 1976. Radiant heat in the ceiling and under the insulation. Imagine that worked really well. That's what we're doing. Get some more footage when we get more done, but that's basically it. Nice insulation cavity. Plywood on the floor so we can really pack it. Really dense pack it the best we can. So we're building this enclosure around the stair entrance. There's the stair entrance coming down at an angle. We're going to build this box around the whole thing. Fill it in with cellulose. That's what we're doing right here. Close it in. Enclosure that we built. It's full up to there, but when we're done, it's going to be full up to these 2x. Once we blow the insulation over here, that's going to hold everything. This is up in the upstairs looking down. There's the lower section. That's all been cleaned out and redone. We're going to add more though. Looking over here, that's the garage. We haven't put the ceiling on yet. Here's our insulation enclosure full of cellulose. This is our box that goes over the stairway. Big huge box, just about filled with cellulose. There's no heat's gonna get out of that. That thing's huge. I'm trying to see how big it is. It's a huge box, goes over that angled stairway.